Alex is sleeping in his room. The alarm clock starts ringing. It is 7:45 in the morning. Alex wakes up suddenly.
Huh? What was that? Oh no, I am late for school.
Alex jumps out of bed.
He runs to the bathroom. Alex brushes his teeth fast. He washes his face. Alex runs back to his room. He gets dressed quickly.
Alex puts on his shoes.
He takes his backpack. Alex runs downstairs.
Good morning, Alex.
Alex eats very fast. He drinks his milk. Alex leaves the house.
Alex runs to school. Oh no, the bus is gone.
Alex missed the bus. He must run to school. Alex runs very fast. He looks left and right. Then he runs again. Alex runs past the park. A dog barks loudly.
There is the school.
School starts at 8. Alex arrives at school. The students are already in class. Alex runs in the hallway. He stops at the classroom. Alex opens the door slowly.
Today we'll learn about photosynthesis.
Miss Anna is teaching.
The teacher sees Alex.
Everyone looks at Alex.
Alex feels embarrassed.
Sorry I am late.
It is okay, Alex. Please sit down.
Alex walks to his seat. Alex sits down. He opens his notebook.
Today we learn English.
Repeat after me.
Repeat after me. A, B, C. A, B, C, D. Ha!
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, Q, L, M, N, O, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Good job, Alex.
Alex writes the letters. Time passes. Students study English.
Alex has a question.
Yes, Alex?
How do you say this?
Ah, that's forest. A beautiful word.
Forest.
Perfect.
This word is book.
What is this, Alex?
Book.
Yes, very good. Can you say it again?
Book.
Excellent.
The bell rings.
Race you to the gate!
You're on!
Class is finished.
All right, time to go. Let's pack up. Adventure time.
Alex closes his book. Alex feels happy.
Come early tomorrow.
Please remember to submit your work by tomorrow.
Yes, teacher.
All right, let's go home.
Yeah, I'm so hungry. Me too. Let's race.
Students go home.
Alex walks outside.
Today was a good day. Tomorrow I will wake up early.
Alex walks home. See you tomorrow.